guys, I'm gonna introduce to you my Hot Wheels. Her name is HW 4 track. I don't know what his name is, but this is from made of China. I made this, but I don't know what's called. I don't think it's. Her name this. Her name is this. This is Mod Speeder. Speeder pala. Mod Speeder. Thus, I know because I know everyone's calling Mod Speeder because her engines look. And this is the best. The Toyota GRC 86 Cup. Okay, what is this? Okay, guys, this is Pininfarina Battista. Okay, I know what is this, but drone drone duty. This is from Batman's. What is called? This is called Batmobile. Night Dragon. This is Night Dragon. This is not a Hot Wheel, but he is a Ferrari. This is. I know this is a Dodge. I don't know what is this. Rolling Solo. Eruption. This is from Wonder Woman. This is Power Piece. I don't know. Beacon Motor. This is Porsche. This is Porsche. That's only good. I have that. Bye.